This is how we do it.
This is how we do it.
I'm gonna let Mr. Wilson get out of the photo. All right, so we're gonna attempt the surgery of removing his headlight. And when I say it's surgery, it's pretty much that. This top piece has to come off. This entire cover has to come off. This piece here has to come off. This piece here has to come off. This piece here has to pop off. And I'm told it's like the mother of all evils trying to get that off. Which means you literally have to take something that goes down from up here all the way down this length, because there's 4 screws or nuts across the bottom here that you have to get to, because there's no way that you can get to them from inside of here. And of course the bottom panel is all sealed off down there. And pretty much remove everything in the front end just to remove the headlight. Now, understand, on the 2018 and earlier models, it took less than 5 minutes to remove a headlight. I mean, you literally had to pull a pin back here, take the grill off, which took a couple minutes because you only had 3 screws on the top and the bottom end just popped in place. Now you got to remove all this. It's going to take hours. I mean, who at Ram was thinking this stuff out? It really, really is just mind-boggling. But I got the new light, and I'm going to go ahead and install it because this system's dead. And without that, this doesn't work. And as I've just found out, that the DOT officer reported my truck's tag and my insurance information, and I couldn't get a permit for a transport the other day. So stack that up to everything that's going wonderful about this. And it's still just another day, and Morgan has not made good on the Enterprise rental. So we're gonna move forward on that. Cannot wait to see our ass locked up. That'll be just epic. All right. That only took a couple hours to do. Holy cow. Some big bug did a splatter there on the shutters. These are cool. I'm not gonna try moving them. And here I am doing it. That's pretty cool. There's a lot of stuff in here. A whole lot of stuff. It used to take me like 5 minutes or less to remove the front grille from my 2018 Ram. There's a big monster intercooler. Look at the bugs on that. It's pretty thick too. It's about 4.5, 5 inches thick. Pretty decent intercooler on the new truck. All right, now to pull this screwed up thing out. But I think I'm gonna clean all this mess up. And you can definitely see the crease in here on the bumper. I might pull this light out, put a strap onto this, hook it up to the trailer of the skater. Yep, still here, still here, still untouched. I might put a strap on that and give it a pull and see if I can get my fender to come out, or my bumper to come out a little bit. And if I can, we'll find out. Certainly find out. It's a shame this is all messed up. I bet if I could take this off, I bet I could put that in my press with some poly on both sides, a piece of leather or something, and press that back into shape. I don't know, let's see how difficult this fender is to get off after I get all this other mess off. All right, here we go. Truck is all back together. It rained a little bit today. Check out the new headlamp installed. Still got to get the fender replaced. Got to rework the bumper. Got the gap all taken care of. The scratches on it are the clear bra for the most part. That's going to get redone. But I pulled it out. The bottom marker lamp is functional. My auto drive function now works, the lane assist. But look at that beautiful lamp. Check out the LED flicker. Crazy, huh? I'm just so happy it's all back together and legal and legit now. This headlamp's actually cleaner. It was from a very low mile truck. It's actually a little bit cleaner than my original. So this one's got some road grit in it. Look at that flicker. Isn't that crazy? So it's a shame that the grill is peeling. Yeah, look at that. That's pretty pathetic. And then of course Ram won't do anything about it. So that black chrome is all peeling off. See, it's funny, I hold it right up here and it flickers more and more and more. You get right on it and it does it some more. Anyway, I'm happy with the way the fix is in. It's done. And well, I still think I'm gonna get the fender done and definitely get the topper painted to match. But for the most part, I'm happy with it.